Welcome! If you've ever wanted to find the list of videos you've searched for on your Facebook page using the PC app and are using the newest update, this guide is just for you. Sometimes it's easy to lose track of a great video you previously searched, but with these steps, you'll have no trouble finding your video search history whenever you need it. To get started, first open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your preferences and page options. Next, look to the top right corner of the Facebook home screen. Here you'll see your profile photo. Click on your photo, and if you manage any pages, you'll see those pages listed right inside the menu. Select the page whose video search history you want to view by clicking on its profile photo. This will take you straight to the main dashboard of your Facebook page. Once on your page, focus on the menu. Depending on your layout, this may be on the left-hand side or near the top. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. This section gives you access to all the tools to manage your experience and privacy controls. From the expanded menu, select Settings. After you're inside the main settings area, scroll down or look through the menu options until you see Activity Log. Click on Activity Log to proceed. Inside the Activity Log, Facebook keeps a record of all your page's actions, including what you've searched. To narrow your focus, find and click on videos you've searched for. This is where you'll see a detailed, chronological list of all the videos you've searched for while using your page. Each search is organized by date, so whether you're trying to revisit something you watched last week or months ago, you can find it quickly and easily. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can always keep an eye on your searched video history and never lose track of an important or entertaining clip again. Use this feature to review, revisit, or even manage which searches show up on your page's history. Enjoy exploring your video history with ease and confidence.